Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. This is how to fix iPhone Messenger error request. So guys, if you ever have a problem where you have this error, what you could try to do is simply resetting the app. So to do this process, just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, over here on these settings, you could just simply go ahead and go through the general. Here on the general, you can just simply go for the iPhone storage. And here on the iPhone storage, you can just simply select the Messenger application. And as you can see over here, we have an application Offload app. So guys, if you don't know, this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data, and this mostly will reset the app. And when you tap on offload, you will have a warning that it may delete the app documents and data, and select offload app, and mostly this fixes the issue. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.